Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bedford, a small town in northern Kentucky that serves as the county seat of Trimble County. With a quiet courthouse square, historic buildings, and a setting surrounded by rolling farmland, Bedford reflects the character of many traditional county seat towns across the state. Bedford was established during the early 19th century, a period when Kentucky's population was expanding rapidly as settlers moved westward into the fertile lands of the Ohio River Valley. Like many small towns of the time, Bedford developed around its courthouse square. The courthouse became the focal point of civic life, hosting court sessions, public meetings, and local events. Businesses such as general stores, blacksmith shops, and hotels were built nearby to serve travelers and residents. Agriculture played a major role in shaping the town's early economy. Farmers from across the county would bring crops and livestock into Bedford to trade, sell, or ship to larger markets. Corn, tobacco, and livestock were among the most common agricultural products in the region, supported by the area's fertile soil and favorable climate. The town's location also connected it to nearby waterways. Just a few miles north of Bedford lies the Ohio River, one of the most important transportation routes in early American history. During the 19th century, steamboats carried goods and passengers along the river, linking Kentucky communities with cities such as Louisville and Cincinnati. The surrounding countryside continues to play an important role in local life. Trimble County remains largely rural, with farmland and open landscapes stretching across much of the area. Agriculture still contributes to the local economy, and many families in the region have deep roots going back several generations. Today, Bedford offers visitors a glimpse into Kentucky's small-town heritage. Its quiet streets, courthouse square, and rural surroundings reflect a way of life that has changed slowly over time. Thanks for watching!